Namaskar. Yesterday we discussed about the star of poem. Today we are going to discuss about the star of Ashlisha, Ailiam. This Ailiam star is coming in the zodiac of Cancer. This star is also called as a full star because from first padam to fourth padam, all padams are coming in the zodiac of Cancer. That is the reason this ILM star is called as full star. Now we are going to see in what manner ILM star people they have to do the puja, to which god they have to perform the puja. Actually, ILM star people they have to pray to the god Mahavishnu, Lord Krishna, as well as a female god, goddess. If you are taking means Madurai Meenakshi Amman. So these two god and goddess, they are controlling the planet of Mercury, because the ILM star people they are controlled by the planet Mercury. This Mercury planet is controlled by the god Mahavishnu or the goddess Meenakshi Amman. So if you, the star people, if they are making puja to either Mahavishnu or Meenakshi Devi, definitely they will be well benefited in their life, as well as they can see good upliftment in their life. So in what manner they have to make a puja to Lord Krishna, Mahavishnu, or Madurai Meenakshi Devi. As usual, which photo is available among these two photos, which photo is available in your hand, according to that prefer the photo, make decoration, and as usual you have to light the lamp by using either gingerly oil or pure ghee, and keep clean water, as well as collect all the good smell flowers. At the time of collecting the flowers, if possible, you can add tulasi leaf. If you are going to do puja to God Mahavishnu, as well as if you are going to do puja to Meenakshi Mata, you have to add Marikolanda leaf along with all the good smell flowers. And if you ask Marikolanda leaf, definitely the people those who are selling the flowers, they will provide the leaf. However, we are collecting the tulasi leaf like that. If you ask Marikolanda leaf from the seller of flower, they will provide the leaf. And keep all these flowers along with the tulasi. If you are going to do puja to Mahavishnu, or collect the flowers, good smell flowers, along with that you have to add a Marikolanda leaf if you are going to do puja to Madurai Meenakshi Devi. Now flowers are ready, lamp is ready, water is good water, clean water is ready. What prasadam must be provided to either to Mahavishnu or to Meenakshi Devi. Suppose if you are having Mahavishnu or Meenakshi Devi, whatever may be, the prasadam is same. The prasadam should be green banana, green color banana. You have to keep at least a minimum 2 green color banana you have to keep as prasadam. Maximum it depends upon your financial capacity, but minimum there should be 2 green banana you have to take for the puja. Now everything is ready. We are ready to do the puja. In what manner the puja must be performed, either to God Mahavishnu or to goddess Meenakshi Devi. If you are going to do the puja to Mahavishnu means you have to chant the slogan Om Mahavishnu Bhagavane Namaha or Om Mahavishnu Devame Namaha. Like that you have to chant the slogan for minimum 17 times. Maximum it depends upon your time. I mean how much time you have. According to that you can continue the prayer. But there must be 17 times you have to say the slogan Om Mahavishnu Devame Sharanam Namaha. Like that 17 times you have to chant the slogan and you have to keep the flower along with the Tulasi leaf under the feet of God Mahavishnu. Suppose if you are going to do the puja to goddess Meenakshi Devi, you have to chant the slogan Om Meenakshi Devi Namaha. Like that minimum 17 times you have to do the prayer, or you can continue it for either 27 times or 54 times, or according to your time facility you can continue it at least for 108 times, maximum 108 times. If you do the puja like this, definitely the ILM star people, they will be well blessed by the planet Mercury, as well as the god or goddess, I mean Mahavishnu, as well as the goddess means Meenakshi Devi. Definitely they will bless you well. And suppose if we are doing this type of puja, what type of benefit we can enjoy in our life? This may be your question. Suppose if you are doing this puja, you will have good love and affection on others, and your negative thoughts will be removed. And every day while doing this puja, only positive thoughts will be increasing. As well as if you have the problem of nerves, it will also be avoided, and you will have the pleasant and the pleasant means maximum 99.9% pleasant life you can enjoy well. As well as if you are doing education, in education field, definitely you will come as a first candidate, number one candidate, and more popularity will also be given by this Mercury, especially in the field of education, if you are doing this type of puja to either God Mahavishnu or goddess Meenakshi. Totally your life will be very pleasant and grateful. So do this puja and get a benefit. Suppose if you want to get a consultation for your horoscope from me, please contact me for the number 9840773010. In case if you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. While subscribing, you can see the bell icon. While pressing that bell icon, you can see three options. Among these three options, press all. Immediately you will get the notification what are the videos I am posting. Immediately it will be reached to you. Thank you very much.